What would you do if someone said, "I'll be back," and never returned? This is a short story in simple English. Listen carefully. You don't need to understand every word. Just listen and follow the story. He didn't come back. He said, "I'll be back in 5 minutes." We were standing in front of the small grocery store. It was late afternoon. The street was busy. Cars were passing. People were talking. "I forgot something," he said. "I'll be back. Wait here." I nodded. 5 minutes is nothing. He went inside the store. The door closed behind him. I stayed outside. At first, I didn't worry. I looked at my phone. I watched people walk by. I listened to the noise of the street. 5 minutes passed. I looked at the door. It did not open. 10 minutes passed. I told myself, he is just slow. Maybe there is a line. Maybe he met someone he knows. 15 minutes passed. I started to feel uncomfortable. I moved closer to the door. I looked inside the store. I did not see him. I checked my phone. No message. No missed call. I sent a text. "Are you still inside?" No answer. 20 minutes passed. Now I was worried. I walked into the store. I looked around. The store was small. He was not there. I asked the cashier, "Excuse me, did you see a man come in about 20 minutes ago?" The cashier looked at me. She shook her head. "I don't know," she said. "Many people come and go." I went back outside. The street felt different now. Louder, colder. I called him. It rang. Once, twice. Then it stopped. No answer. I didn't know what to do. I waited 5 more minutes. Then 10. People around me were leaving. The light was changing. It was getting darker. I sent another message. "Where are you?" Nothing. I felt stupid standing there alone. I felt angry and scared. After 1 hour, I sat on a bench. My hands were cold. I tried to think. Did something happen? Did he leave on purpose? Finally, my phone vibrated. A message. "I'm sorry." That was all. "I'm sorry." I stared at the screen. I wrote back, "Where are you?" A long pause, then another message appeared. "I couldn't come back." My chest felt tight. "Why?" I wrote. 3 dots appeared, then disappeared. Minutes passed. Finally, one last message came. "I wasn't ready." I panicked. "I'm sorry." I didn't answer. I stood up. I put my phone in my pocket. He said he would be back in 5 minutes. He didn't come back. And in that moment, I understood something important. Some people don't leave with noise. They leave with silence. Useful sentences to steal. "I'll be back in 5 minutes. I'm still waiting." "Where are you?" "I didn't get your message. I don't know what to do." "Something is wrong." "I'm sorry. I wasn't ready." Repeat them out loud. You can use these sentences in real life. This was a short story in simple English. Some stories end quietly. If you understood this one, you are learning more than you think. Keep listening. See you next time.